Did unemployment rates in the US decrease from 2013 to 2014? Here's a data set that we could use to investigate this question. We have a random sample of 50 counties in the US with their unemployment rates in 2013 and 2014. Here we have two sets of data, the unemployment rates in each of 2 years, paired according to what county they come from. This lets us account for the fact that some counties and regions of the US are economically better off than other regions. Because our data are paired, we should check the assumptions for a paired t-test. Here we have a sample of size 50, so it's okay if the individual observations aren't normally distributed. So we don't need to make a normal probability plot. We can proceed with a paired t-test. Let's let mu sub d be the mean of the differences we get from taking the 2013 unemployment rate minus the 2014 unemployment rate. Then, testing whether unemployment rates decreased is the same as testing the alternative hypothesis that mu d is greater than 0. We can test this hypothesis in Minitab by going to the Stat menu, Basic Statistics, and Paired t. Here, each sample is one column, C2 and C3. So choose each sample is in a column, and click in the box next to sample 1. All of the quantitative variables in our dataset will appear on the left. Choose C2, the unemployment rate in 2013, and press the Select button. Do the same thing with sample 2 and the unemployment rate in 2014. Then click the Options button. Change the alternative hypothesis to match the alternative hypothesis we're interested in. In this case, that the difference is greater than the hypothesized difference. Our hypothesized difference is that mu sub d was equal to 0 in our null hypothesis. Here we're not interested in creating a confidence interval, so it doesn't matter what the confidence level is. Click OK and OK again, and the output for our paired t-test will appear in the session window. It will remind us which direction we took the differences in. Unemployment rate 2013 minus the unemployment rate in 2014. The p-value is shown in the bottom right-hand corner. In this case, it looks like the p-value is 0, but it's not really 0. It's just smaller than what Minitab can show us because Minitab only shows 3 digits past the decimal point. You don't want to report the p-value equal to 0. Instead, say that the p-value is less than 0.001. Or use the mean and standard deviation of the differences that Minitab computes, shown here in the third line of statistics, to compute a more precise p-value on your calculator.